Hi, once again you're welcome to FTGFx. FTGFx is the short form of forex trading in Ghana. Now in today's video, I'm going to take you through 4 quick steps to wrap up your trading year. That's your trading year, 2022 trading year. Okay, so the first one we are going to look at is you need to minimize your risk exposure. Now we are getting to the holidays, so a lot of people are not going to be in the market. So there's a need to reduce your risk exposure. So if you usually have maybe 10 trades running, you can reduce them to 2. If your lot size is a bit bigger, let's say if you do a lot size of 0. Maybe 10, you can reduce it to 0.01 or something. Just reduce your risk exposure. Okay, and then the second one is to review and reflect on your trading metrics. You see, a lot of things happen. You gain profit, you made losses, your strategies, maybe you tweaked it a bit. Take your time, review them, and then make some adjustments, because the market is not static, it's dynamic, and it will always be. So you need to make some adjustments and all of that to ensure that the coming year gets better than 2022. The third one we are going to look at is set your goals for the coming year. Okay, so after reviewing your metrics, you need to now set your goals. So if it is weekly targets, monthly targets, yearly targets that you want to set for yourself, you need to ensure that you set them, and there should be realistic goals as well. Then the last one we're going to look at is to enjoy your break. You've been working all this year, like January, February to December. So like how any other business will go on holidays or breaks, you also need to go on a break, because this is a job, there's a business that you also do. If you want to learn more about forex trading, you can just send us a DM on Instagram at FTG_FX, and we are ready to help you out. Have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your break. Bye-bye.